Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to make this Wayne Thiebaud inspired cake drawing. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need are paper, pencil, a black marker, and something to color with. I'll be using marker. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by making sure our paper is side to side. We're going to go ahead and draw a large oval in the center of our paper. Once you finish that, we're going to make two vertical lines going down each side of our oval. And I'm making my lines slightly curved. Make sure they're even. And now we're going to connect the lines by making one smiley line. Now that we're done making our cake, we need to make a slice that is missing, and we're going to do this by making two triangles, one at the top and another one at the bottom. We're going to connect these two triangles by making three lines going down, one in the center, one on the side, and another one on the other side. Once you're done with that, we're going to need to erase those lines that were there before from our cake, and so erase them very carefully. Now let's go ahead and make the plate, and we're going to do this by making a nice round oval going around our cake. And we also need to draw the table, and we're going to do this by making a line behind our cake, and we're going to draw it across our entire paper. Make sure that you stop where your cake is and then continue the line. And there we have our cake. And I'm going to go ahead and for the background, I'm going to make a bunting banner. This is totally optional. You guys could do whatever you guys want for the background. But I'm going to do this by making three big waves. And then I'm going to make little triangles to hang off of it. Some of our banner might be behind our cake. That's okay. Just pick up your pencil and then keep going. Now we get to move on to the fun part. We get to start decorating our cake. I'm going to start off by making some frosting. And I'm doing this by making some puffy lines. And you guys can see here, I'm stopping and I'm continuing, so I pick up my pencil. Makes it a little easier. And then we're going to do the same thing in the inside. We're going to make our puffy lines. And then when we get to the edge, we're just going to end it. And do the same thing on the other side. Now we have to do the inside of our cake. We want to make our slices, so we're going to do this by making triangle lines again, where one goes up and then down. And we're going to do this until we fill up the entire slice. When you're done with that, you can start doing your decorations. I'm going to start off by doing the frosting at the bottom, just like we did at the top, making my puffy lines. I'm also going to add some smiley faces to my cake. So I'm going to just do that by making little polka dots. And please remember, you guys are allowed to decorate your cake however you guys want. At the top of my cake, I'm going to add some strawberries. And I'm also going to add some cherries to the edge of my cake only. And I'm also going to add some M&Ms. Of course, don't forget our sprinkles. And last, we want to draw some utensils, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a napkin and a fork and a knife. The napkin's just going to be square. For the fork, I'm going to make a curved line and another curved line. And then I'm going to draw a straight line going down. And I chose to make my fork a little bit curved. For points, we're just going to make 1, 2 little U's or a W. And for a knife, we're going to draw a vertical line going down, a little bit of a curved bumpy line, and then another straight line down. It's up to you if you guys want to add any decorations or any other things. I'm going to add some wallpaper to mine. And there we have our completed cake. Now we have to go ahead and outline. Let's outline. I'm going to be outlining with a black Sharpie, but if you don't have one, you can use anything you have or just skip this step entirely. Erase all of your pencil lines. Let's color. And here is our delicious Wayne Thiebaud inspired cake. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this project. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!